Did some animals possess abilities that seem straight out of a superhero movie? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of animal superpowers, exploring how evolution has gifted creatures with extraordinary skills for survival. Get ready to be amazed. First up, the mantis shrimp. These tiny crustaceans boast the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing 12 primary colors, far more than humans. They also possess club appendages that can accelerate faster than a bullet, delivering a devastating punch to crack open shells. Imagine seeing the world in a rainbow of colors while packing a knockout punch. Next, consider the axolotl, a Mexican salamander with astonishing regenerative abilities. If an axolotl loses a limb, or even parts of its brain or spinal cord, it can completely regrow it without scarring. Scientists are studying them to unlock the secrets of human regeneration, a potential game changer for medicine. Now, prepare to be surprised. The pistol shrimp creates a sonic blast louder than a jet engine. It snaps its claw fast, it generates a bubble that collapses with incredible force, stunning or even killing prey. This powerful snap also produces a flash of light, it's essentially a tiny underwater explosion. And coming up next, we'll explore how some animals use electric fields to navigate and hunt. So, from incredible vision to regeneration and sonic blasts, the animal kingdom is full of unbelievable superpowers. Nature truly is the ultimate innovator. If you enjoyed this glimpse into animal abilities, give this video a share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.